Now this box, these came from the Games Expo, and I know exactly what are in these. Because obviously these aren't mystery box. These next two aren't mystery boxes. These aren't really mystery boxes. They are pre-purchased. I know exactly what's in both of these, but I just want to show you all. You have board games. I collect board games as well. So we have. Oh, and these are all pre-owned as well, by the way. But we have. So my first board game is the Da Vinci Code. They go over there because it's obvious. Okay, our next one is something called Lords of Creation. There we go, even. It's cost me a whopping £2. Oh yeah, the Da Vinci Code as well, look, cost me a whopping £2. What was that little box? Now, onto this big box. I've already had a look through this morning, so I know roughly what's in here. We have a game that I thought looked like fun, and it cost £10. It's called A Tale of Pirates. I'll just show you the back because I've already had all this apart this morning and it was a pain to put back in the box. So there we go, there's the back of the box. See, it's got a big elastic band around it to hold it all together. This is a 2 to 4 player game. I didn't tell you what the others were, but they're all 2 player plus games. Contents are 1 ship to be assembled, 6 sectors of the board, 4 sand timers, 3 corks, 4 cannonballs, 1 die, 14 damage tokens, 5 life points, 2 rule books. I'm guessing this is its expansion packs put in as well, because there's a lot more in here. A lot more in here. Oh no, we have secret contents. This treasure box contains 10 sealed envelopes, 1 for each chapter. The secret components what secret components will you find inside them? Do not open an envelope until you can play that chapter. Curious Pirate. A digital app is included directly by using the QR code. So obviously I have to scan that QR code to play the game. An amazing adventure of discovery, friendship and challenging against time. This sounds like fun. I can't wait to play this game. It's going to take some learning, but we'll figure it out. Next item in this box. Oh right, of course we have the classic Monopoly. Again, I'm not going to open this because I've already had to put it together once this morning. Yep, it's all parts all over the place again. Yeah. Oh yeah, all the money and everything. Looks to me whoever played this tried to be very careful when they were using the money, because it's still got its paper holders around it that are unbroken. Apart from the 50,000s, which look, they're a little bent. Yeah, just give you a quick look at the Monopoly game board. It's a standard Looks like to me is a standard Monopoly game board. Missing a few normal items, but this is the Millionaire Edition, so Monopoly game board. Yeah, it's only 9 across instead of 10 across. So, yeah. And this, if I did not show you the price, I think, yep, cost £2.50. Again, 2-player game. We have a game called Spy or Die Trying. This is completely unopened, it's still sealed, so I can't show you any of the contents inside. This was the most expensive game, bought it £20. There's the back, so you'll kind of get a gist of what's going on. It contains 1 rule book, 3 chapter profiles, 1 board game, 93 markers, 14 card figures, 8 dice, 2 to 4 players. They reckon it takes about an hour to play. Ages 12 plus. So here we have Spy or Die Trying. Spy or Die Trying is the game of infiltration and espionage that pits secret agents against a ruthless megalomaniac. You have just 60 minutes to save or enslave the world. Sounds like fun. Okay, I have a few games left in here. Okay, this one is called Hidden Conflict. The game was only cost £3. A customisable, expandable strategy tile game for 2 to 6 players, ages 10 and up. Did I open this one this morning? I can't remember. Oh yes, I did, yeah. So whoever played this before has put it all into a nice big baggie. Bless them. Quick rundown on it, actually, too much to read. Pause the video. Read it yourself. Sorry. And it's annoying me because it's all upside down. That's better. That's much better now, it's all the right way up. There you go. Just pause the video. Read the back yourself. Okay, I have 2 more in this little box. So I shall take them both out. This cost £1 or £2, I think, depending on which ones they scanned. One says £1, one says £2. I don't know which one they scanned. I never got a receipt. Apparently it's called Greed. It's the hottest game on dice. 2 to 6 players, ages 6 and up. Okay, so it comes inside with a pencil. Comes with some score sheets, which I shall photocopy so I don't use these. It's also the game rules as well. Greed, the hottest game on dice. Dice values. Okay, so it's a little bit like Yahtzee by the looks of things. You get 1,000 points for spelling greed, and so on and so forth. 6 of a kind gives you 5,000 points. To score 1,000 for greed, it must contain 1 green E and 1 black E. Fair enough. so I spelt greed. I win. Again, I'm guessing this is like up to as many players as you want, really, then. Oh, 2 to 6, I just said, didn't I? Of course, I need to photocopy that on my photocopier behind. It's kind of nice, it even comes with what looks like an Argos pencil. So it looks like a game you sort of can take, like you need a little travel bag or something and play on the go. I'll peel the stickers off later. And we have the last game, which I don't know why my niece picked this one up, because it's for 3 players. It costs £5. So, oh, that's not everything. There is one more game. Because I'm a collector of Monopoly as well, and I'm an anime fan, as you can see behind me. It had to be done, I'm sorry. Just no reason behind it, but other than it just had to be done. I'm a very big collector of Monopoly. I have a cupboard over there to my left on the top shelf. It is absolutely jammed, packed full of various versions of, obviously, I now have 2 more versions of. I am just a very, very big Monopoly fan. I like Monopoly. So yeah, that's everything. I mean, that was everything. There was nothing else to show. So we had all these board games, which I'm going to stack up in front of me now. So I'm going to disappear behind a stack of board games. Oh, and a dice game. I'll put 2 more off to the side here as well. Obviously there's the Da Vinci Code and Laws of Creation as well to go with these 2. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you know when I've uploaded new content. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I know it's going to be a long one, I do apologise. If you'd like to comment below, subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you know when I've uploaded new content. And I will catch you all in the next video. This is David from the Videco 2 channel. I will catch you all again in the next video. Bye now.